So I saw this on the internet today, is how to wrap up your ratchet straps so they stay nice and tight and you don't have a jumbled mess in your truck. You just take your ratchet after you've taken the two pieces apart and you keep wrapping around on itself until you get 1.5 to 2 feet like this one. And then you take the ratcheting part and you wrap that around itself and you put it on the bottom. Then you take your end and you feed it through. Feed through once, you put that on the bottom of that one. You bring it around and you feed it through one more time. And once you got it wrapped around like that, just tighten it down. And it cinches up pretty tight. That shouldn't come apart in your truck or your toolbox. Thanks for watching.